Hey, it's your favorite CPR and first aid instructor stationed right in Cincinnati, Ohio, Sana Serene. And I am back. I got on this week and I wanted to talk about another important topic as it relates to staying safe in the community, because again, it is my goal, it is my mission to make sure that people in my community are living longer, healthier, happier lives. So I am back. I wanted to jump on today and talk about water safety. So American Heart Association, one of the leading organizations in the community, one of the organizations that basically guides the way that we teach and the way that we manage our people in the community when they're having heart conditions or heart attacks or cardiac arrest, anything heart health, you want to thank American Heart Association. So American Heart Association, they have recognized August as being an important month for us to get out here in the community and talk about how to stay safe, how to prevent deaths near water. Not just large bodies of water, but just water. So we're talking water safety. And while fun in the water can be exciting, it can also be very dangerous if you don't know how to swim, or if you are uneducated about just how to stay safe and around water. Drowning is one of the leading causes of death in children between the ages of 1 and 4, and in fact it is the second leading cause of death in children up to the ages of 8. So it is very important that we talk about some of the measures in order to keep our children safe when near bodies of water. So again, I said not just large bodies of water, but just bodies of water, because even just those small bodies of water, those can be potentially deadly and very dangerous for someone who does not know how to swim again. So American Heart Association, they recommend several things in order to kind of prevent and reduce the number of accidental deaths as a result of drowning. So number one, life jackets. Life jackets are something that we could purchase. We could purchase life jackets. They're actually pretty inexpensive from many supermarkets. We can order them online, but nearly half of boating accidents could have been prevented just by the simple use of having had on a life jacket. So life jackets are known to prevent death, and then it is an added layer of protection for someone who cannot swim. So we encourage you to purchase a life jacket for yourself. Even if you are a swimmer, again, nearly half of boating accidents could have been prevented simply by the use of having worn a life jacket. So that is one suggestion or one recommendation. The second recommendation is just simply learning how to swim. So we can teach even infants how to swim, how to alert their parents if they happen to be in the water and are by themselves, how to cry. There are many different water safety programs that actually teaches us how to swim. So one of the ones that I know for sure is the YMCAs. A lot of communities have YMCAs in the community, and they are known to provide additional training to children that are out there in the water. So it is important. Drowning is, again, a leading cause of death in children, and again, learning how to swim can just prevent and reduce those numbers. For people who own pools, it is recommended that you secure your pool by installing fencing. They say at least 4 feet. Self-latching or self-closing gates, should I say. So gates that close after themselves. That way that strangers or people who don't belong in your yard are not just kind of coming behind, and then you have an accident in the pool. So secure that pool. Install fencing with self-closing gates, again, at least 4 feet tall. They recommend that if you do have a pool, maybe even separate the pool from the main entrance of the yard or where the children would play. Cover those pools when they're not in use. We want to talk about, we want to teach, we want to educate our children on how to just be safe near water. Children, they like to play. That's one of their That's what makes them children, is that they're playful people. And oftentimes when you don't know something, you don't know something. And so they may not know what is actually dangerous. So you want to educate our children. We can't assume that they know the do's and the don'ts. So we want to talk about risky behavior, diving in the pools, pushing people in the pool, drinking alcohol near water or in water, going into other people's yards and occupying pools that don't belong to you or that you don't have permission to use. Some of these are just, some recommendations that American Heart Association encourages that we do in order to kind of, again, prevent and decrease the number of accidental deaths as a result of drowning. Again, my name is Sana Serene, and I am a CPR and first aid instructor. I teach right here in Cincinnati, Ohio. I do have the ability to reach and connect with people in other cities and other states. I do virtual training, so I have many options to connect with you. If you're ever interested in booking a course for either yourself, your family, your organization, I would welcome you to reach out to me. Reach out to me directly. It is my goal, it is my mission, and it is my duty to educate the community on how to be safe, how to live longer, healthier lives, and I can only do that with the help of people booking classes. So if you are interested in booking a CPR first aid course, like I said, I'm a registered nurse, so I also have other courses, communicable disease, child abuse, medication administration courses, bloodborne pathogen courses. So I have many courses, and if you've been following me, and if you would just like to receive more information about how it may be of benefit to you, or how I can possibly further educate you on, again, how to live longer, healthier life, reach out to me. My email is MSCOLLINS, so Miss Collins 3791 at yahoo.com. I also have a CPR and first aid Facebook page, Compress CPR. So feel free to make contact with me. I think you can even leave a message on here. It has been a pleasure waking up my people, and I am excited. I am excited to continue to further bring the knowledge. So reach out to me for more information, and I will continue to be posting videos. So if you have not liked and subscribed to my page, or even shared it, go ahead and do so. The only way that I can complete my mission is by obtaining some passengers to take this journey with me. So come on and join. You can do so by, again, liking, subscribing, and inviting other people to ride with us. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed this video on how to stay safe, how to limit the amount of accidental deaths, and especially in our children, especially during the month of August when the weather is beautiful and everybody is near the pool. Stay tuned, and I will be in touch. Blessings.